In this guide, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can enable hitboxes here in Forsaken. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But what you're going to want to do if you are on Roblox is first, obviously go ahead and get loaded into Forsaken. And once you do go ahead and get loaded into Forsaken, what you're going to want to do is look on the left side of your screen and you're going to see the settings option all the way down here. Go ahead and select the settings button, and once you are in the settings, it's going to look something like this. What you're going to want to do is actually look at the sidebar and scroll all the way down. You're looking for two things here. Those things are visible attack hitboxes and visible collision hitboxes. Simply check these boxes to turn them on, just like so, and then exit out of the settings. It really is as simple as that. Now you're going to have hitboxes here on Forsaken. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out even more. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up here. If you do have any questions, once again, don't hesitate to ask us. But make sure you do leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more videos. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.